gonna do seatbelt retractor removal. I know we got suspension parts, CV axle, but Sean just informed me that we're not gonna do that today, right? Why?
No, because we have to ship those.
Because we have to do seatbelt retractor removal so we can ship them so they can replace them with living seatbelt retractors. We got a CV axle and we got a mesh trunk separator grocery thing so the milk doesn't fall over and then pour out of the back of the trunk when I open the trunk and splatter everywhere. Oh, and Sean got me this little compartment thing that goes right here and it opens and you can hide stuff in it.
That's where the fuse box goes, but
oh,
the fuse cover.
Yeah, compartment thing. Secret stash. Sean tried to put this in, but I told him this is my project car. I get to put in the secret compartment thingy. Just goes right in, right? Oh! Oh, look who did it!
Somebody's closer.
Somebody. Did I do it right though?
I think so.
Like that doesn't line up though.
Yeah, that's fine. It's probably because you dropped it.
Are you gonna eat that gum? You're so gross.
It looks pretty good. All right, so we have to start by taking off all this trim work right here because there's 2 bolts down at the bottom, I think, and airbag sensor, and then 1 bolt up top here.
Ding 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 ding. You have such strong hands. Oh! Mama. Nothing's broken. Oh, I just spit. Now I need a monkey wrench. Is that that?
14 mil.
It says T.
13.
Schming. Wrong way.
No, it's the right way.
Really? Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
You want to be able to, like, look, it says off. You want to pull down towards you, and so then you get more leverage.
Are you sure? This feels like righty tighty. Sean knows cars, you guys. You shouldn't question him. Pink. Wrong way.
Nope.
This is when tiny hands are really convenient.
Asian hands.
It just makes me nervous because it sounds like it's breaking, you know?
Just like grab the right side, do one side at a time, and then grab like up top, and then, yeah.
This way, if it breaks, I didn't break it. Now I need to remove these airbag prongs and then take off the rest of the tongue. Okay, so now we're going to use this toothpick to remove
a dentist instrument.
To remove the prongs.
Pull up.
Like that?
Yep. Nope, and then that's good. Take it out of it.
I get the hint. Pink, pink. Oh, baby! We got the heart.
Look at that. Ingenuity.
I wasn't about to like slip and hit my hand and
knuckle.
Then quit. Pew pew! Pew pew! Pew pew! Pew pew! Pew pew! Pew!
Darylyn's getting ready for that thumbnail life.
I want it to look like, you know, my ammo. But I'm pretty sure they're just gonna hang really awkwardly between my legs. Oh man, my cool shirt.
JDM for life.
Yeah! Ugh. Whoa! Okay.
Alright, so now we gotta
Well,
take this piece. Okay, so now we gotta take all this off right here to get to the other seatbelt retractor.
that's a mosquito. Did you see that ninja kill?
Yeah, that was a mega ninja kill.
Okay, so I pull this crap. That has an arrow going down, so that means it faces down. But that's not how you take it off.
Because the seatbelt retractors are locked out, we can't get all this trim work off the top. So we got to take the seat cushion out to then be able to take out the bottom bolt to free up the tension so then we can get the top out. So just pull. And right down here,
Look how I fit perfectly.
there's a little pull tab. Yep, pull that tab.
What? Ow! My butt.
Okay.
Every time.
You know what this means? This means Darylyn is probably gonna quit working on this for.
No, because it didn't cut me. It's just gonna be a bruise, which is fine. But if it's a cut,
every time.
Every time.
No joke. Every time. Like not being not hyperbolizing. Is that the word? Hyperbolize?
like not exaggerating.
Yeah, not exaggerating.
Hyperbolize.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not hyperbolizing. Every time that Darylyn hits her hand and messes up her finger or something, she quits right away.
Because it cuts it like right on the knuckle, and the knuckles take forever to heal.
So this just shows that she likes you guys.
I told you guys I was gonna work on the car, and I am a woman of my word. So I have to earn this car.
We have our first casualty right here, and that wasn't from me being aggressive or anything. Like, really not. I'm not being sarcastic. This was broken before, which is super annoying, but...
It's like on HGTV when they rip up the floor and find out.
I'm just a little broken piece.
Is that moth alive?
Hey, little guy. Wow, that was loud.
Sorry.
Moth was just chilling. Mothra. Mothra's a friend of Godzilla. You should appreciate that. Okay, so now we can pull this all down and take all of this out.
Technique.
What is?
Going through the window.
You like the parking job of cars?
I actually do. It looks nice.
Makes it so there's more room up here, so it's not like just a freaking parking lot of cars.
Oh, you can't even see it. What are you doing?
Tried to loosen the bolt from back there, but it sounded like the window was creaking, so I'm just gonna take this whole back section out to be safe.
That's smart.
Old man sounds. I guess that one doesn't come out of there.
Yeah!
Nice. 3 down. Wait,
1 to go.
3 down, 1 to go. Heck yeah. We're flying. Go team.
Go team! Are you farting?
I'm trying to squeeze through here.
Are those mosquitoes?
Caught it. It was a fly.
Oh my gosh.
Too fast for you guys. You couldn't see it. Just gotta like wiggle it and then it will eventually. Nope, don't.
I don't have that strong of hands. Like you have strong hands. Look at those forearm muscles. Rawr.
Here we go.
Thanks for breaking the torque for me, babe.
Yeah. Torque busters.
Torque busters.
Plaque attack.
Okay.
Darylyn's telling me to get back to work.
Yeah, give it focus.
Wait, let go. Okay, now pull.
Ha! Huh.
We did it, guys. That was only seriously like 12 minutes.
Okay. Blood? I don't know why that looks like somebody with an underbite. All right, you guys, thanks for sticking around. Looks like we're making some pretty good headway, aka Sean is, and I'm slowing him down. But it's fun for me to be a part of the project. Anyway, next time, hopefully we'll get to the AC condenser. No.
What?
What's AC axle?
Next time we're getting to the
AC axle.
continuum transfunctioner.
JC axle. Axle.
CV.
CV axle. CV axle. I should remember because.
Spindle.
And the spindle.
And the door will probably be here. But
Sweet.
We'll do suspension. So then we can
Yeah, we'll do other crap next time, basically. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah, you guys see how real it is. I'm stuck with cleanup. Darylyn gets to go inside and chill. Nah, just kidding. She went inside to check Hobie. But I am stuck with cleanup.